In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the mean and standard deviation fast and easy using Excel. So as you can see on the screen, I have some sample data that I inputted. These are just random numbers that I have. However, you can input your data and follow the same steps that I'm about to show you. So to calculate the mean, you'll see that I have a mean box right here. We'll go ahead and click on this empty box right here. And to start this command, we'll enter the equal sign. And most people would think that mean, you would just type in mean as the command, but for Excel, the mean is the average. So you'll click on average, and then you'll take your pointer up here and you'll drag it to copy all these because you want the mean of all these data points. And then we'll just finish this command by ending with the close parentheses. After that, you'll just hit the enter key. And right there, you have the mean of all your data points. Instead of having to write this all out or go online and use a calculator, Excel makes it quite easy to find the mean and standard deviation, as well as a lot of other easy equations. To find the standard deviation, we'll do the same thing as we did with the mean. So we'll start with the equal sign. And to find the standard deviation, instead of using average for the mean, we'll be typing in ST. And you'll see that most recently used is standard deviation. So if you're trying to find the standard deviation of a population, you'll use the standard deviation.p function. If you want to find the standard deviation of a sample, you'll use the stdev.s. So for this one, we're going to use the standard deviation, the most used one. We'll go ahead and drag and copy like we did with the mean. And finally, we'll close it off with the parenthesis. And there you have it. Now you know how to calculate the mean and standard deviation fast and easy using Excel. If this video helped you, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. I post new videos every week. Also, if you need help with more Excel easy tips and tricks, go ahead and check out the Excel video playlist on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.